What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, let's tour some affordable apartments. For a second, I was showing y'all luxury prices, but hey, I think there's still people out there who want to know what's in the 200 range, what's in the 300 range. So I'm here to do that in today's video. If you're excited for this info though, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you're new to this channel, and also hit that notifications bell so you do not miss my content. But yeah, man, let's get started. The building I am touring today is right here. All of the information is right here as well. You guys can come check this place out if you like what I show y'all. Lana apartment. There goes the Zalo. There goes the WhatsApp.
Yeah, you think you're the German guy?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I see it on YouTube.
Wow.
I come.
You German?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, that's crazy. So I just met this guy from Germany.
Yeah, man.
He said he saw me on Celtics' interview of me. It's crazy, man. It's such a small world because I've never been to Germany.
Really?
And yeah, you know who I am already. It's crazy. It's just it's mind-blowing.
I want to visit something from here, and then it was the first video they showed me on YouTube, and then I look, it's this guy.
Wow, yeah. He was just walking by, recognized me. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, man.
Shout out to Germany. What's your name?
Rizzy.
Rizzy. Okay, cool. You got an Instagram or something that you can promote?
Yeah, I make music. You can watch it on YouTube.
Okay.
Rizzy Westside.
Rizzy Westside. I'm putting it on the screen right now.
Thanks.
All right. Yeah.
Nice to meet you, yeah?
Yeah, shout out to Celtics. AC unit. Got a private washing machine. Bed. Desk. Okay. No TV. But you got a closet. Nice size closet. So yeah. The desk slides out. Fridge is brand new. Nice clean washing machine. It looks brand new. Here goes your restroom. You got a rain head and a wand. I'm so tall that I actually am taller than the rain head. Like I would only be able to use the wand. Yeah, this place is very clean. It smells good. This counter has some marble detail. And then your kitchen has a couple storage drawers. You have a dining table and a desk. So much uses of space in here, of every little corner. And then you have two racks right here. Sink has a drying rack in it for you. And a 1-burner stove. AC unit right there. So yeah, I like how modern this one is. There should be some type of discount for not having a TV. And because this is across the river, you are no longer on the same side of land that touches the beach. So it should be a little bit cheaper and you're missing a TV. Let's see how much it is. How much is this one?
This room is $5 million.
$5 million.
Excluding electricity and water.
They have a rooftop amenity. Here it goes. And this building also has an elevator, but they say that no unit in this building has a TV in it already. There's ways to get TVs in this city though, guys. Facebook Marketplace, and then local street stores even have them used. Yeah, we are on the local side of the city. Got a washing machine in unit. That $5 million price was pretty good. I'm paying 7.5, and I don't have a private washing machine, but I'm closer to the beach. I'm getting what I'm paying for, I guess you could say. And I got a pool. This place doesn't have a pool. All right, now you got drying racks up here on your roof. And That is the direction of the beach. Directly that way. I live that way. The tourists all hang out that way. And the ocean is that way. So here is another unit now. Very clean restroom. You got a rain head and a wand. Marble countertops. Holders right there. You got space for a TV right here. A 1-burner stove. You got an entire balcony. You have a couch and a desk. And you have a bed. And you can consider your patio table your dining table. And you can consider this your dining table. You got an AC unit right there. Closet space. Nice zen balcony. And here is your kitchen. Freezer. Fridge. No weird smells in here. No weird smells. Yeah. Okay. So you got a washing machine right there. You got a private hang drying rack right there. Greenery, nursery to enjoy. A lot of construction going on. A lot of construction going on this road, but I do hear it less when the balcony is closed. Yeah. What is this right here? Comment down below if you know what it is. And yeah, I think the bed is a queen size. The mattress feels nice, has some give to it. And then your couch bench has this padding with some cushion and this back with some cushion. So how much is this one?
This 10.5.
10.5.
Yeah,
Okay.
because it has a big balcony.
Okay. You got a washing machine in every unit. Fridge. This layout feels a little open, which I like. AC unit right there. Marble countertop. 1-burner stove. You do get some type of, oh no, you're just looking right into your building's community right here. So you don't get any lighting in this, but it has slightly more open layout than the first apartment I showed. 2 racks right there. You can open this for ventilation into the hallway. Your fridge is new, no smells. They painted this closet white, I can see. And then here goes your restroom. Even this restroom feels the most spacious out of all of the units here. Yeah, you just don't get any natural lighting and no TV. Rack right there. Rain head, wand, 2 storage racks, marble countertop. So yeah, this one was 6 million?
Yes.
Okay.
And then
All right. This one has a nice epic walkway entrance, marble countertop, another spacious floor plan in this one. Nice ceiling lighting, You get a lot of lighting, it's just not natural. You probably don't have to deal with noise in this unit neither, because you're deep in the back of the building next to another building instead of next to a street. Your bathroom feels very spacious. This one has the highest rain head. Wand, 2 storage racks, a lot of step space, marble countertops. Yeah, 1 burner stove, storage in the kitchen counter, 2 storages on top, washing machine, fridge, freezer. Looks brand new. You got storage right here on top. This is a dining table. You got a desk, and this looks like it's a queen size bed. The mattress feels nice though. Good Night brand. Nice white colored cabinet. 2 more shelves. You can open that for ventilation. And yeah, guys, this is what this building offers. It comes with some dishes too. If you had a TV in here, where would you put it? I guess you would try to put it on top of that. Or you get some type of small stand and put it right here in front of your bed. But yeah, no TV. Nice marble countertops. Detailed, glossy marble floors. That one is 7 million?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, let me know how y'all feel about the apartments here. I liked the cleanliness of them. I didn't get any signs of mold. I got a lot of brand new vibes from this place. Even the front of it has a brand new build feel to it, so I like this place. And this area in general, I haven't really explored it. I'm on the local side of the river now, and yeah, it's an interesting area to me. But stay tuned for my channel, guys. I'll be back with more content every 2 days. And I appreciate y'all watching these, man. Buy into your dreams, stay confident, stay consistent, and I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.